Hi, BizHackers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create automated message replies for your business page whenever somebody tries to contact you in Messenger. So let's get started. So from your business page, you're going to click on the settings option, which is right up here in the top right-hand corner. When you click on that, you're going to see this very busy menu on your left-hand side. Click on the second option that reads messaging. And that is now going to load all of your message settings. But what we want to do is scroll down to about the middle of the page till you get to the response assistant. So there's about 4 or 5 different options here. I'll go through this first one so you kind of get an idea, get a feel for how it works. But as you can see, there are some simple on and off toggles on each option. And then the change buttons allow you to change the messaging. So in this one, for example, this one's on. So whenever anybody contacts the BizHack page on Facebook Messenger, they are automatically going to receive this message that you see here in blue. That you can edit by just simply clicking on change and then editing the message right down here. As you can see, you'll even get a preview window right over here showing you how that would display within Facebook Messenger whenever anybody writes. So you have 250 characters to work with, but again, brevity is best. So keep it short and simple. So again, you have 2 or 3 other little options here. You have an appointment reminder, which you can do. So whenever somebody sets an appointment with you, they'll receive a reminder within Messenger. Lots of interesting options for you to play with here. So again, just kind of make it a point to turn them on first so you kind of see what they're about and what the message will display like for this particular setting. And then if you want to make a change to that message that gets displayed or that gets triggered, just click on change and edit. And that's essentially how it works for all of these settings. So again, make sure that they're either on or off. If you want to edit them, turn them on. If you want to edit the message, just simply click on change and edit the message. That about wraps it up for this. It's a pretty straightforward modification that you can make for Facebook Messenger. Any questions, contact your coach or feel free to contact me directly. I'll talk to you guys soon.